A joint action committee (JAC) representing the All Jaintia Cement and Clinker Transporters Association recently met news reporters in Shillong to discuss the mining policy introduced by the state government in 2023. The president of the association, Balen Thubru, expressed concerns through the media, highlighting that despite the public announcement of the state mining policy in 2023, it has yet to be put into effect in the Jaintia Hills region. Thubru further revealed that upon inquiry with the State Pollution Control Board and the Director of Mineral Resources regarding the policy's implementation, both officers denied any knowledge of such a policy. The JAC believes this to be a strategic move by the government to mislead the public ahead of the elections.
It is very painful to remain mere spectators if we fail to bring the matter to light. You might not be aware of the fact that there are several cement factories in East Jaintia Hills which are relying solely upon the raw materials mined and collected from various parts of the district. Absence of revenue checkpoints or check gates en route to the cement factories to check mineral-laden trucks supplying raw materials to the factories have given huge undue benefits to those factories. Coal and limestone supplied by local suppliers to cement factories are not taxed, nor any accounts are kept by any government authorities. On top of that, there is no concession on the cost of cement sold within the state of Meghalaya. In fact, cement produced in Jaintia Hills are sold at a cheaper rate in Assam than what is sold in Clinker. Ours is an economically background state and is neither self-sufficient in any respect. Failure on the part of the government to tap the revenue leakage will not only lead deteriorating living condition of our people and further lack of proper infrastructure, including basic healthcare and educational system. Proper tapping of revenue from natural resources for the benefits of local residents will fetch your good self great prayers and blessing from the unreachable. This is what we have given the letter to the Chief Minister. That's why I pray that, I say that it will fetch good self and great prayers for and blessing from the unreachable, as they will be provided with access to good roads, hospital, school, etc. From the wealth which our Mother Earth has blessed us. Service to the poor is service to God, and it is nothing short to give the greatest achievement one can have in life. The industrial seldom visit East Jaintia Hills, but are interested only on its natural wealth. That means that the cement factories come from far away to the East Jaintia Hills only to earn profit from our district. The day our state become the have-not in terms of minerals and other natural resources which can grasp the interests of industrialists. You can mark our words, they won't even know where Shillong is. Leave aside East Jaintia Hills district.